Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required message on your Toyota Rav4. You could do this procedure with the vehicle on or off. It doesn't really make a difference. So first thing you want to do is start the vehicle or turn the power on. And then when you get up to the main screen over here, you can hit any one of these. You can push down just so that menu pops up right there. And then you're just going to scroll to the right to the last one right there. And then you're going to go down to vehicle settings. Click that. And then you'll click it again where it says schedule maintenance. And then right there, you'll go to yes and hit OK to reset all the data. That has been reset, and that'll get rid of the maintenance reminder. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.